assignment, we have to submit IO string file, so like hello assembly file from C++. So first, we have to find what is the IO string is. IO string is also like library. Okay, so if you first create the C++ file, and when you every time when you want to write string, you have to include IO string, and when you click IO string, when you point cursor inside the IO string and press F9 and F12 key, and you can see the IO string file. You can see the stuff in there, and also they like C in and C out, and that means that you can print in and it will not print out every time everything you print in the compiler. And also we have to create hello I and hello assembly file. To create as hello I, you can see it is in the PowerPoint. Also assembly file too. And they also pack up the program before combine it, and they are like hello I assembly file.
And to create third file, what was it? ASM file. In my case, there was problem. I couldn't do with settings, so with my friend's help, I used terminal to create hello.asm file. So it helps.
Because it different according to the how to say idea.
Yeah.
And so in VS Code, the blue one, you have to write some code in the terminal to just to make hello I and hello the assembly file. And yeah. So yes, you can see programming about 전 과정 like editor and hello CPP, IO string file. Okay. Before that, they have a graph in the PowerPoint. Before coming to the pre-process, before compile it goes to the preprocessor, which called John Chodiki, and then you will go to the compile and will compile the code, and we also make assembly file. We will connect linker to the linker, and then we will go to the executable file, execute, and it will also it's gonna be stored in the application.
Also, after changing settings to create a hello.i file and hello.asm file, we have to every time rebuild and save that changes, and we can find our files from folder. Yes. And in our tasks in our budget, we have to find special codes. For example, an ISTM file, we have to make a screenshot of scene count and curve lines, ISTM, OSTM and OSTM, and also from hello.i file we have to find namespace std and that iSteam sin or steam count. And also hello AS.asm, we have to find that main like line code. Yes.
Hello.i is fine as like the pre-process function of that C++ source file, like pushing hello.cpp. So it's like generated before the actual compilation. So you have to, if you want to get hello.i file, you have to, if you are using Visual Code Blue one, you have to write some code in terminal, and you have to change your hello.c, not change, you can create hello.i file. So assembly file also works the same, you have to write some code in terminal to make it. And also that's for design.
Okay, I didn't understand one part. Can you guys explain the how using namespace std works?
Where was it?
It was like 70 page, like there is written code in here. It's calling the ES string and then using namespace std.
What was your question?
Can you explain the how using namespace std works?
I don't know.
It's like as I informed it, it's derivative in C++ that allows you to use all the names like functions, classes, variables, etc. STD means like standard, so it's also like, for example, without using namespace, without using namespace STD, it can make like more, the codes more similar and cleaner.
As I heard, using namespace std, it gives us the less code when we printing out or printing in the lines to the program. Like if we don't use the using namespace std, we need to write like std to call to what was it like calls like two dots and then C out and then hello world and blah blah blah. So in this case happens in C, also for other libraries, other codes. If you don't use the using namespace std, you need to write like more codes.
STD, right? Every time you print.
Yeah.
Alright, every time you read something, you have to write STD every time. But if you use namespace STD, you don't need to write STD every time. Just one in your source code.
And also in first line of code, including iSteam, if we go to iSteam and press F12, we can see all code in iSteam file, and including iSteam file. It also allows us to call iSteam code to our program, and also it helps to not write ISM code again.
Mm.